Well, hi there. We're here at the ESCRS Winter Meeting in Frankfurt. It's been a minute since the ESCRS meeting in Vienna, which was awesome. I think my badge is ready for pickup. Hey, thanks, Sarah Jill. Hot off the press, we're going to be checking out some immersive sessions, the ESCRS escape room, executive tours around the exhibition hall, scientific sessions, lots and lots going on this winter meeting. Follow me inside. At this year's winter meeting, we saw the introduction of 2 new immersive learning program tracks focused on providing more innovative, interactive, and informative sessions for attendees. We checked out part of the corneal refractive surgery track and were lucky enough to catch Dr. Jorge Alio's talk on topography and wavefront guided ablations, 2 customized approaches for treatment of highly aberrated and irregular corneas. We then headed over to the intraocular refractive track, where we saw a more intimate and interactive session with polls and opinions taken from the audience to a distinguished panel at the Cataract Guidelines Workshop. So there was plenty on offer for all the subspecialties here. ESCRS had some exciting new initiatives at their winter meeting, including the equally challenging and creepy escape room.
So you almost made it. Maybe use again the UV flashlight and keep in mind it's about...
I've never been to an escape room, so it was a great first experience in these kinds of activities. It was a great way to get to know different people and to actually work with them.
I would really like to thank the organizers for this, because it's been something that we can all enjoy together, you know, getting to meet new people, to think about things together, to cooperate. It's been great for socializing.
I'm excited to see what kinds of new formats the ESCRS is developing, especially with the unconferences and the World Cafe. So I'm excited to see how these new formats will turn out to be.
Other initiatives included the World Cafe, which gave delegates an opportunity to get together to discuss specific topics in an informal and friendly way. And there was also the new unconference sessions, a series of participant-driven discussions right on the show floor, giving attendees more opportunities to hear from some leading voices and be part of the dialogue. We also caught up with Dr. Sigurd Elfrink to get some of his thoughts on sustainability in the OR.
We do the things because we're told to do them. But my question is it really logical? And I think it costs time to think about it, to change it, and a little courage. And so what we try to do is, with the Young Ophthalmologists for Sustainability and the ESCRS, give people easy measures that they can implement. We've already did the research for them. It's less time consuming for them, but the courage I cannot offer. But it's important that key opinion leaders show what they do, and this is an encouragement for young ophthalmologists to change their practice as well.
After seeing well-received results in Vienna, the ESCRS near-live surgery session was back in action in Frankfurt. We stopped in to catch some surgery insights from top names in the OR, such as Dr. Burkhard Dick, demonstrating small aperture IOL and CTR implantation using the Stellaris Elite phaco system. A look at combined cataract surgery and excimer laser glaucoma intervention with Dr. Herbert Reitzamer, and some top tips from Dr. Peter Hoffman, demonstrating how to deal with difficult cases of dense cataracts when implanting toric EDOF lenses, provided insights that all budding cataract surgeons could learn from. We then headed back to the show floor to get a special guided tour from ESCRS President Filomena Ribeiro as part of yet another great initiative in networking.
The tours, they promote that the people can reach also the industry, maybe more for young members of the society to start to know how to handle with the innovation that always we have in our meetings. We are all together here to try to provide more discussion, more interaction, and share tips. That's the kind of initiatives that promote people sharing their vision and experience. We can all have the best of this meeting.
You can see the full interviews with Dr. Ribeiro and other execs coming out soon. There were so many things going on at this winter meeting, it would be impossible to cover it all. But for our final highlights, the best of the best was a session not to be missed for the cutting edge in everything surgical. And you can stay tuned for our highlights of the Heritage Lecture, featuring more legendary figures in cataract and refractive surgery.
Well, that's a wrap for the ESCRS Winter Meeting in Frankfurt. I'm out of here. Headed down the street to get some of that schnitzel with green sauce. Frankfurt's been awesome, but onward to Barcelona, where the ESCRS Summer Meeting will take place. That's going to be a great show in a beautiful city. I'll definitely see you there, my friends.